part of its corporate social responsibility, the State Bank of India had organized a special program at the Open Day Care Centre at NONGMYNSONG on the 24th of August 2021. During the function, essential food items were distributed to the children at the 24 Hours Crisis Management Centre run by the REACH Shillong Ministries. The General Manager, Network 2 of State Bank of India, North Eastern Circle, Guwahati, THANGBOI LUNKIM, who had graced the occasion as chief guest, stated that State Bank of India, being the largest bank in Northeast India, has been reaching out to the needy and underprivileged in the area. While referring to the daycare center at NONGMYNSONG, LUNKIM said that SBI feels part and parcel of the REACH Shillong Ministries through its display of love, care and concern for the underprivileged children at the center.
We are privileged that today we could donate these rice and grocery items for the benefit of the children who are parentless and children who are running away from their parents. The 24 Hours Crisis Management Center for Children, operating under the REACH Ministry Shillong, had been running for the upliftment of these children. So State Bank of India is privileged to be a part of it, and we have donated this rice and grocery items, estimating around 80,000-90,000, nearly less than about 1 lakh of rupees. This may not be sufficient for the needs of the organization, but however, we feel that this will go a long way being a part of this organization. We are very much a part of this organization by helping the cause of these children. So State Bank shows our love and concerns and care for the children who are underprivileged. This is the mission that we also follow. And under this corporate social responsibilities, we donate these things on behalf of State Bank of India. Thank you so much.